Hello friends, I am Hardik Patel. Welcome back to Python tutorial. Today I am going to talk about virtual environment setup in Windows system. So we have already talked about that virtual environment setup in Linux system. So you can look at that video also for more information. So let's quickly complete this the same thing in Windows, right? So here I am currently available in this, but instead of that I am going back to C drive and look at this is my C drive in which I have three Python versions are available: 2.7, 3.5 and 3.6. Okay, so that may be a difference in your system, whatever you have installed in your system. Just look at that. Okay, so I have installed or not, let me see that. Pip raise. So which Python version is default in my system, I have to check that. Even I haven't checked, but so that is whatever the Python path you have set in your environment variables, where you can see, right? So Python version, it's 3.6, it's my default version, but I haven't installed virtual environment here, right? But I have installed that virtual environment in 2.7 version. So how did I install? Let me show you that. C, then Python 2.7, then scripts, then pip install virtual environment. It will show me that it is already installed. Okay, so you don't need to install again. So just stay with me because this is taking a little bit more time than usual. Okay, so requirement already satisfied, right? This is available in this. Okay, now how can I use this virtual environment? As you can see here, there is no command available right now. Oh, it is available because virtual path of virtual environment is set. Okay, so this path is set, because of that it is showing. Okay, so it's very good. Otherwise what you can do is that just go to that Python 2.7, then scripts, and then virtual environment, right? Like this. And same way -p, and then you can give the path whatever version you want to use. If I want to use 3.5, then just like this python.exe, and I will create here a version to 3.5, same way. So running virtual environment with interpreter this, so it is taking this interpreter. Okay, so after creating this we will see how to activate that, and also we will see that pip freeze, so you can understand. So let me show you that this Python version 3.5 is available now. And as I wanted to mention that I didn't mention, but let me mention here, that is in Linux system actually it creates a bin folder instead of scripts, but in Windows it creates scripts. So all the binaries are available inside the scripts folder like Python. Okay, and then pip will be also available here. Look at this, now it is available. Now all things are available. And one more thing is, this is batch file. So all these activate files are for Windows system. Okay, so generally I am right now available in CMD, so I will use this activate batch file, right? So how can I do that? Just it's executable, we don't need source something or like that in Linux, according to Linux. Okay, now // and version 3.5 and scripts, and then activate. Okay, now also you can see this version is available now, activated, similar to that Linux system also. And just look at this Python version. My default was 3.6, but if I check this 3.5, right? So that is the same thing, right? Okay, now if you look at this pip freeze, there is no package installed, right? So simple. And if you want to deactivate, so there is no activate like library binary. Okay, so deactivate in Windows also available. Even I didn't know. I just fired to check that. So is it available or not? So deactivate is the just global command which is installed to deactivate environment. So whenever you install a virtual environment, it is automatically created, right? Okay. So that's how you can create multiple virtual environments and you can use with different multiple applications. So that's it from this video, and enjoy developing Python applications using virtual environments, and have a nice journey in Python. Thank you very much.